To lubricate your cube, you will need some lubricant, and you will need a screwdriver. And the screwdriver, what you do is you move the top 45 degrees, and then you take the screwdriver, and then just pry it out like that. And it should come off. I take these off, and then take the lubricant, shake it, and then you can just spray it right in there. And there we go. So, as you can see, the lubricant's in there. And then you can just put these pieces back together. Make sure it's solved, or else you might not be able to solve it again if you don't take it apart. And then snap this in right. There we go. And then just move it around. And you just keep on moving it around until it gets smoother and smoother. And right now I can feel it's getting really smooth. So that means it's working. And I usually do this for about 5 minutes and do about 2 solves with it. And then it goes really fast.